Hello everyone. So today I'll show you an easy way to install WordPress on your websites. So as you can see on my screen, I'm inside my cPanel on my file manager. So you'll see it here, cPanel, and then just click on file manager and this window will appear. So inside my website, I've actually put in folders, some subfolders under my main website, so I could create my portfolio and test them out. So go to public_HTML, and then this is a folder I created, a sample folder. So this would be for my portfolios for web development. So if we go inside the sample folder, you'll see that I have created already a lot of folders here. So let's create another folder. You just need to click on this plus folder and then put in your new folder name. So I will name this folder test folder there. So create new folder. So you'd see that I have a new folder now here. So the folder's name is test. And then we'll install WordPress inside this test folder. So before installing WordPress, we'll need to create a MySQL database for your WordPress website. So go back to cPanel and then go to MySQL databases. Just wait for this to load. There. And I'll create a new database. So I'll call this new database test. So create database. There, so it already created a database for me. So tashaorb_test. So let's go back, and you'll see that I have the database here, but it still does not have a database username associated with it. So let's add a user for this MySQL database. So there, so you'll see here, add user to database. That's what we need. So I have a user now here, tashaorb_tasha, and let's add tashaorb_test. So let's add it now. Add. And then I'll give all privileges. Okay, and go back. There, so here it is, tashaorb_test, tashaorb_tasha is the username. So let's go back to our folder. So this is the folder named test. So I'll go inside the folder. You see that the directory is empty. So I'll upload WordPress in the folder. Okay. So I'll select the file and look for WordPress inside my computer. I'll put in the zip file. There it is. So WordPress zip file. So let's wait for this to upload. So we're still at 59% complete. So let's wait for this to be 100% complete. Okay, so it's now 100% complete. So let's go back to the test folder. And you'll see that there is a zip file for WordPress here. So I just right click on this and select extract so that it will extract the contents of the folder. So you just need to extract the files here. So now it's extracting the files. And then just click on close. And let's reload. Okay, so you'd see now that we have a folder called WordPress. And let's go inside the WordPress folder. So you'd see that here's the content of the WordPress folder. All you need to do is select them all. And then select move. And move them inside your test folder. So that's the folder where we'll be installing WordPress in. So let's select move files. And then let's go up one level so it will take us to the test folder. And you'll see that here are our WordPress documents or WordPress files. So now you need to look for wp config sample.php. So here it is. So I'll select this and rename it to wp config.php. So you just need to remove the dash sample and then rename the file. And then after you rename the file, you'll need to open this. So right click again and then click on code edit. There. So you'll be taken to the code editor. You just need to click on edit. Okay, so here it is. So I'll be putting in the name of the database for this WordPress installation. That's the one we created earlier. So the database name is tasha_orb_test. There it is. So I'll put it here. So name of the database, okay. And then the database username that is tasha_orb_tasha. Okay. tasha_orb_tasha. And the password. So I won't show you my password. So after you put your password here for your MySQL database, this is for the password for your MySQL database username. So each username has a password associated with it. So after putting your password in here, you just need to click on Save Changes. So I'll just pause this recording and put in my password. Okay, so I've put in my password and now we're done with the WP config file. So we just need to go to the link where we installed WordPress. So mine is tashaorbon.com wordpress.com/sample/test. And let's go to the link. Okay, so if you put in your username and passwords for the MySQL database correctly, you should be taken to this page. So I'll select English for the language. You can select Cebuano if you want. They have it there too. Or I think, they don't have Filipino. They have Tagalog. So you could also choose that if you want, but I'll choose English. So let's click on continue and put in your site title here. So test, there. So test site for WordPress. I'll change this later because you already saw my username and password. Make sure that it won't be easy to guess. And I'll put in my email address so it would notify me of the WordPress installation. And I'll discourage search engines from indexing this site since this is just a test website, and I'll delete this later. So now I'll install WordPress. So just click on install WordPress. It's very easy. And you just need WordPress to, you need to wait for WordPress to install itself, and it's done. Success. Oh no, I forgot my password. I forgot to take note of my password. Okay, so let's just log in. And then we could retrieve the password later. So I'll just get my password first. I'll pause this recording. Okay, so I've now retrieved my password and I am now going to log in to my WordPress website. There, so we've already logged in to our WordPress website, and this is the WordPress dashboard. If you have other questions or other tutorials that you want me to make for you, you can email me at tasha@mommytasha.com, and don't forget to like my Facebook page. Thank you.